Yeah, hello friends. Once again, you are welcome on my channel Raj Grammar Center. And just my last video, you saw especially the present tense and starting one table was there. I clarified each and everything. So before I will say, just before to watch this video, it is very important that you have to try to understand the basic concept, especially in the table. Very important. And whenever you are learning the past tense or the future tense, as I taught you the present tense, you have to must I can say just able you should be able to differentiate actually what differences are there in the present past future, what similarities are there in different types. Okay, first see on the screen, past tense is what? A verb that refers to the past time is said to be in the past tense. I said earlier, verb decides which tense is there, and here the verb will come in the past form. Like I am saying, go, went, gone. Go is the present verb, went is the past verb, and gone is the past participle. Okay, so I like you can say verb first form, third, second form, third form. Now see, I liked cricket. See, the example is here. I liked cricket. Liked is what? Past verb. And so therefore, if you are not knowing about the, you are not able to identify the tenses, you can understand by seeing this one. I liked is the past verb, means that is obviously the past tense. How will you identify? Means first thing, see, read the sentence. It will indicate that the means really where the action took place in the past. And now come to the main topic. The same way as it was in present tense, past tense also there are four subtypes of the past tense. Simple past tense, past continuous, or you can progressive also, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Now see the first, simple past tense. Simple past tense, it is used to express an action that has taken place in the past or is a past habit. Simple means already I taught in the present tense also, where the like present I taught action takes place. It completed or it was incomplete, that we don't know. Or I taught to the habitual action. Here also I can say habitual action in the past. But here the I will teach you in the, I can say, different way here with the help of formula. First I am okay. Let me repeat that definition once again. It is used to express an action that has taken place in the past is a past habit. Where do we use simple past tense? Which is indicating the past habit or the action which already taken place in the past. I am not saying completed. If I am saying completed, that will come the perfect. Be careful. Huh? Only action took place or the past habit. How will you identify? See, subject, we2 have written means past verb, object. And when it will turn to the negative, then in place of past verb we will use the present verb. But didn't will come, did not. An interrogative, did will come, object also, right? So therefore you have to keep in mind one thing, that i- overall all tenses, present, past, future, only in simple past affirmative only at one place. If we'll say total 12 parts are there, present 4, past 4, future 4. Out of 12, only when at one place we use the past verb, and that is the simple past affirmative. But again in negative and interrogative, once again it changes into the present verb. See, already in front of you, V2 in the past verb became V1. And then the interrogative, whenever you are making, first did will come. See the example. He went to the classes. Affirmative sentence is there. We use V2 past verb. He went to the classes. Identification, second thing, if anyone is saying, it is indicating the past habit. But remember one thing, whenever the past verb is there, you have to you have to understand that it is the past, simple past tense. But when the negative sentence is coming, again v2 will change into v1, past verb will change into present verb. We didn't sleep well. See, we didn't sleep well. Sleep is here what? Present verb. Interrogative sentence there. Did you play cricket? Again see, you play. Play is present verb. He fell down. See, he fell. He fell down. Past verb. Why did you call me? If I'm saying why did you called me, it is wrong. Why did you call me? Because when you are using the did, automatically here the present verb will come. Okay. So here you have to remember it. Past verb we use, but in negative interrogative form, simple past, we use the present verb, and it must indicate action that took place in the past. Now, say I've written note. In simple past tense, you know very well that we use did, we to, and like I taught, do, does in the present tense. One extra part is here. If these auxiliary verbs, three remember, was, were, had, they are coming at the place of verb, then it is simple past tense. Like I taught in the present tense. You check my video. We use do does, right? But if is or am, has, have is coming at the place of verb, then it is simple form. Here also see the verb to be, to have is also used in the simple past tense. To be form means was, were, used as a main verb. He was fine. We were fine. See, he was, were is auxiliary verb, but here used as verb. Okay, if I'm saying he was feeling fine, we were feeling fine, that is the past continuous. But if the was, were, and see the next had is there, if they are coming at the place of verb, it is called the simple past. To have form, had, the past verb of to have. To have form, had is the past verb. If had is used at the main verb, it is also what? It is a simple past. Remember it. Along with the did, we to remember if, was, where, had is coming at the place of verb, not auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb coming, it will become the continuous and perfect. I'll teach you in the next part. Now, the next past continuous or progressive. Just for identification, remember one thing. Continuous means where the indicating the action is going on. Here the past action was going on. What is it? It is used to denote an action which was going on at some time in the past. How will you compare with the present? See what is similarity? Present verb with ing is common. That was in present also and past also. What difference? In present what we use? Is or am. Here we are using was, were. Was with the singular number and were with the plural number. Okay, remaining things same. Continuous means what will remember? Action, past is a action was going on in the past. And how will you identify? Present verb ing with was, were. He was writing a letter. See, he singular number, therefore what coming? Was. Writing, of course, ing will come in the verb. In the verb ing form, participle form will be there. They were completing the project. They is plural, therefore what we are using? Were. My friend was not eating the fruit. My friend was not. Negative sentence, so after was, were use not. Interrogative, what will you do? Was, were used in starting. Were they not applying for the job? Why were I used not was? Because they is plural. And question mark. If auxiliary verb is coming in starting, remember it is interrogative sentence. Why was David reading the novel? So here David is singular number, therefore was. So you have to remember present verb with ing and was, were for continuous. Now see the next. Next is the perfect. Past perfect tense. Past perfect. Perfect means remember one thing. Means where action done. In present tense I taught action fully completed at present. Here is what? Action fully completed in the past. It denotes an action that completed before a certain moment in the past. I remember one formula I am giving you. Whenever the perfect you are seeing, remember it past participle verb V3. See, subject had V3 plus object. And how will you compare with the present? In present we use has or have. Has for singular, have for plural. But here I am using only had. So it is easier than the present. With a singular, plural, everywhere use the had. But we will identify V3. Okay, now see. We had drawn some money. See why I use drawn, because draw, drew, drawn. Past participle verb. Whenever the perfect is there, use the past participle verb. Perfect means action done, fully completed. John has not fulfilled his dream. Had she written the letter? Had she written? Right, wrote, written. Why had you not recognized him? Question mark. Interrogative type. So it is WH type interrogative. WH word is there. Why? Then auxiliary verb. Then subject. Then not is there. Then verb is there. He had gone to the theater. He had gone. Go and gone. Gone is the past participle verb. So two things remember for this one. First, action fully completed in the past. Second thing, in perfect we use only past participle verb and had will come. And already I shown the table also. One separate my video is also there where only I explain table, because if you can understand the table, you can understand the tense. Now the last part. Past perfect continuous tense. It is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. Means action is started and it was continuing. If I am saying only action was continuing, it is what? Continuous. I am saying action is started sometime in the past and it was continuing at the time of speaking. And I say perfect continuous is the, I can say, mixture of continuous and perfect. Why? See, imperfect I use had, here I use had been, and continuous we use v1 ing, so mix both. Had become had been here and the present verb ing. Last one extra part is here, since for we use for the time, and since for the fixed time, and for the, I can say, unfixed time, that is the temporary. Since is called the point of time, for is called the period of time. Now see, they had been constructing that dam since 2018. Since is used for mainly for the point of time, means where the accurate time is given. They had been constructing that dam since 2018. See, past action is started when it started 2018 and it was continuing. I said you earlier, action is started and it was continuing. That is the past perfect continuous. If only action was continuing, continuous. If action completed, perfect. At that time, we had not been practicing for 2 years. Here, why I use two, for I use why, because two is what it is the period of time. If accurate time is there, use since. Had I been discussing the topic for 5 months? Had I been. One more thing remember. Whenever you are seeing auxiliary verb in two parts now, you have to use. In negative, add not between had and been. Interrogative, use subject between had and been. The best method is there. See what I used here. Had I been. Had been is there, no? Center I inserted what? I. Subject. Why had you not been paying attention towards lectures since March 2018? CTWS type interrogative. I had seen speaking French. Sorry, I had been speaking French for 6 years. I had been speaking French for 6 years. Why use for? Because it is the period of time. If I am saying I had been speaking French since 2015, then since is possible. Here is the 6 years I written, therefore it is the for. And so by this way you have to please go to the table, and without table you will not understand the concept. And in next video I will upload the future tense. But once again I'm repeating, simple means action takes place, it is past tense, action was taking place. And continue means action was going on, perfect matlab action done. And last one is the, very well, action started and it was going on. Simple means what will remember, v2, but negative interrogative what will come, v1 then did will come. Continuous, v1 ing, was where. Perfect, v3 had. And for last one, had been, v1 ing, present with ing, and since for extra part will come. So please, you have not subscribed my channel Raj Grammar Center, please like it, subscribe it, and share with your friends. Thank you, and just wait for my next video for the future tense.